Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I have an unboxing video to share with all of you. This is from a company called Gnoce. And so these are items that were sent to me for review. And so it comes packaged in a box like this and then on top of that, there is this card. It just tells you how to maintain your jewelry and your beads and what to use, what not to use, all of that. And then in here, there is another box. It's a cardboard box. It's really nice, black and white. I like that. It just says Gnoce, New York. And then when you open that, there is this velvety pouch. So in this pouch, I have two charms. So let me take them out of the baggies and I'll show them to you. This one is called the Jack Skull charm and it looks like Jack Skellington. It is silver and the eyes here have black enamel on it, and then you have the mouth and the nose detail that's plated black. I'm thinking it's ruthenium. It didn't really say on the website. And then it's encrusted with clear CZs all over. It's an amazing charm. It's very beautiful, very shiny. I usually don't do charms with these many CZs on it, but this one just, I really liked it and I just wanted it. So this is what I went with. The other charm I picked is this dangle charm, and this is called the Witch Pendant Dangle. And it is so pretty. Again 925 silver. There is enamel detail on the witch's hat and then her cloak. I love the star detail on her cloak too. And then she's flying on her broom, and there's the broom. The bail on the charm is plain silver and it has this beaded detail. Again, it is very pretty, and I got this one because I think I can use this on a mini design for Hocus Pocus. So yeah, that's the other one I picked up. Gnoce has an amazing collection of Halloween charms. They have a great collection of Nightmare Before Christmas charms. Next, I want to show you a few charms that I bought from Gnoce. Now, these are all Halloween related. As I said, Gnoce has a great collection of Halloween charms. So the first one that I bought is this one. And this one is called the Owl with Witch Hat charm, and it's just an owl. You can see his eyes have black CZs, and then he's wearing a witch's hat, which again has that black detailing as a hat band, and then there's stars on here, and then the stars have these CZs. One has a black CZ and the other two stars have orange CZs in them. And the back is just plain. It just says S925. So it's a very cute charm. I really like it. I love owls and I love witches. And so this was a perfect combination. Another owl charm I bought is this, and this is called Owl on Pumpkin. And again, it's an owl. He's sitting inside a pumpkin. The pumpkin is orange enamel. And then the owl, his hands are encrusted with clear CZs. His eyes have black CZs in them. And so that's the second charm I picked up from them. This is called the Cute Ghost charm. And he's holding a little pumpkin which moves. So this pumpkin moves. His mouth and his eyes have enamel detail. There's black enamel on it. The back is plain silver. Again, I think it's a really cute charm. He's kind of looks like he's floating in the air, and there's his little pumpkin lantern bobbing with him. That's what it looks like to me. And this one is called the Ghost Castle charm, and this one is a button style charm, and then there is black enamel detail on it, which is the castle, and then there's like bats flying all around it, and then the sides have these star cutouts, and the back has detailing too. It just says Happy Halloween. And then you have more bats flying in there. There's like a grave. And so there's a ton of detailing on it. And so these are the 4 charms that I bought from Gnoce. And these are the 2 that were sent to me. And so as I said, they have a great collection of Halloween charms. So if you're looking for some Halloween charms, I highly recommend checking them out. Now, the charms that I'm going to share with you are all charms that have been sent to me for review. So the first 2 that I want to share with you are these, and these are stoppers. And this one is called the Attractive Butterfly Stopper. It is so pretty. It is all silver. It's a pretty big charm. You can tell from you know, looking at it on my hand how big it is. It has this beautiful scroll like detail on the wings. The back is just a stopper, so it does have silicone lining in it, so that's how it stays in place on your bracelet. And it is all silver. There's no CZs, no enamel, no other color. It's a plain silver charm, which is great. And this next one is called the Dancing Honeybee Stopper. So again, it's the same concept. It's a stopper with silicone inside. And then on top of that, there's this honeybee, which is silver, and then it's gold plated, 18 karat gold plated, the wings. And then his body is encrusted with very light yellow colored CZs, and the head is encrusted with clear CZs. So it's a very detailed stopper. Very pretty. I love both of these. This is the only safety chain that I have from Gnoce. This is called Devil's Eye Safety Chain. So the bails that are on the safety chain, they are the design on them is in the shape of these eyes with these blue CZs in it. Very pretty. And then there's this silver chain. There is this detailing, like Pandora safety chains do this too, where if it twists, there is this little spinny thing on one end, which goes on the inside end of the bracelet. And so these do have silicone stoppers in them. And so that's the kind of safety chain this is. This is not a clip one or a threaded one. This just has silicone stoppers inside. So that's how it stays in place on your bracelet. So this is the Devil's Eye safety chain. Then I have these 3 natural stones from them. This one is called the Natural Rose Quartz, and this has a rose gold core, and the core is in the shape of a heart. This next one is called the Emerald Jade Charm. Again, the core is heart shaped, but this is silver. And this one is called the Cat's Eye Natural Stone Bead. Again, with the heart core, but again in silver. So I have these 3 that are natural stones. These 2 are 18 karat gold plated charms. This one is called the Spider with the Flower Charm. And you can see that there's flowers on here with different colored CZs. The center is purple, and then you have blues and oranges and pinks, and then even clear CZs. Now, if you look closely, you'll see the spiders on there. Right here, you'll see a spider. There's another one over here. So that's how this charm gets its name. And this other one is called the Dragonfly and Bamboo Hollow Charm. And again, it has these dragonflies on it with red enamel detail. And then there's these bamboo leaves with green CZs in them. So these 2 are my gold-plated charms. These are my very first charms that I ever got from Gnoce. This one is called the Snowflake Charm. It's just a simple snowflake. It has a CZ in the center, a clear CZ, and it is the same on both sides. And this one is called the Romantic Snowflakes Charm. So this is a snowflake too, but it also looks like a flower. So the inside, the inner circle here, the center is a clear CZs, and then the circle around it is light blue CZs. And then, you know, where you have these petals almost, they all have a clear CZ in them. Then the sides, you see these snowflake cutouts, and then the back is the same. So yeah, these are my very first charms that I ever got from Gnoce. I think early this year, maybe January or February, I don't remember, but I've had these for a while and they have held up really well. This one right here is called the Mysterious Heart Charm, and it has a very vintage look to it. The middle has a big heart-shaped purple CZ. It is the same on both sides, and you can see the scroll work even on the sides. It is absolutely beautiful how this charm is made. And this one right here is called the Sunflower Charm, and there is a sunflower on here on a heart. The center of the sunflower has this big brown CZ in here, and then one side of the heart has these yellow CZs. The back of this charm does have engraving, and it says you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. And I love that quotation on there. It is, you know, very thought-provoking. So these are the next two charms. This is called the Tree of Life charm, and again, this is a button style charm. The outside circle has clear CZs, and inside the circle there is a tree with silver leaves, and then there's some green CZs for the leaves as well. The sides have these heart cutouts, and then the back is the same. It has the same CZs, clear CZs on the outside, than the tree and the green CZs. So this is Tree of Life. These are the last three charms that I want to share. This one is called the Hydrangea Flower Garden Charm. This one right here is the Butterfly Loves Flowers charm. And this one over here is the Flying Butterflies charm. And this has an opal in the center, which, you know, the camera's not really picking it up. Here you go, maybe you can see it better. It really sparkles. The outside of the circle again has clear CZs, and then there's two butterflies on the edge. One has blue enamel on it, and the other one has pink. The sides have this heart cut out, and the back just has the opal and the clear CZs. It does not have the butterfly detail, which I really love the butterfly detail. This one is a very, very big charm. You can see it's pretty big. Again, it's called the Butterfly Loves Flowers charm. So on one side of the butterfly's wings, you see only scroll work. The body of the butterfly is clear CZs. And the other side, the wings have these enamel flowers. You have the pink, the yellow, the purple. There's some green leaves. And then the sides have these heart cutouts, and the back is again the same. One side plain silver, the other side you have the enamel flowers. And this one, the Hydrangea Flower Garden charm, it is so beautiful. Again, a button style charm. The middle is glass, and then on top of that you have all the silver detailing. There's hydrangea flowers with blue enamel on them. You can see the details. It is a very, very beautiful charm. I love this. I love the enamel work that they do. They're very, very pretty charms. So this is my whole collection of Gnoce charms. Most of these have been sent to me for review, but there are a few that I did buy myself. I do have a code with Gnoce. I'll put it down in the description box. It's for 5% off. And Gnoce is always running some kind of promos. Like right now, it's like buy two, get two free. And you can use this promo on top of that. So if you guys would like to get something, and if you would like another 5% off, you're welcome to use that. I don't get anything from you know, this promo code. Like, it's not an affiliate link or anything, so feel free to use it or not. And so yeah, this is my Gnoce collection. As I said, I have not had any issues. Even the plated stuff like this honeybee and this one, I've had it for a few months and I've used it, and so far so good. I haven't had any issues. Again, the same with the enamel, no issues so far. So it does seem to be, you know, pretty good as far as quality goes. And again, they have a great collection of Halloween designs. I have have Halloween on my mind right now, so that's why I keep saying that. But they also have a great collection of nature charms. As you can see from here, I have a lot of floral charms, and yeah, they do have a great collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my Gnoce collection. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.